Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from my beach vacation and then I have people over here for a couple of days. So now finally things are slowing down and now let's get back to unboxing. This one came from Portland Leather Goods. Open it up. And in case you are not familiar, you wonder why it says Patina, because this is kind of a side brand that Portland Leather Goods is doing now for their shoes. So other than leather bag and full grain leather accessories and all that, Portland Leather Goods also make shoes now. This is the first time I bought a pair of shoes from them, so let's see how they do with shoes. I have bought a lot of leather sneakers lately, so I think this would be a good comparison after I try it on. I'm trying to get the box out. So this is the box. First time seeing their shoe box. It says leather footwear. Now let's open it up. This is how the box looks like. It comes with little notes that tell you more about their shoes. So here is a close-up of the sneakers, the front, the side, and this is the outsole. I hope it's not very slippery. I wish they have better grip though. That seems to feel like it could wear off quickly. I will have to try it out and let you know. And that's the heel. The color I ordered was their honey color. It seems much darker than what it shows on the website. On the website it shows kind of a brighter color brown, almost look like orangey a little bit. But this one looks like a really nice kind of a classic timeless brown color leather sneakers. They were telling me that their shoe was also made from full grain leather, so that's a good thing. The insole is pretty smooth. Look like it's some kind of blended material, not sure. But the side of it is leather. Hopefully you can see. For the shoelaces, it comes with this matching brown color shoelaces. Look like it's wax shoelaces as well. You can see a little bit of sheen on it. The outsole is in white color. For this honey color, to be honest, I would prefer that if they would use their cream color outsole. I think it would match up with this honey color really well. So this is how they look together. Looks really nice. Now hopefully the size worked for me. I ordered my regular size 9. I heard that sometimes the size with Portland Leather Goods leather shoes could run a little smaller. So hopefully this size 9 worked perfect for me, since I recently discovered that I often can fit in a size 8.5 as well. So now I think it's time for me to go try it on, and hopefully it fits and it feels good, and I will let you know later.
Trying on the sneakers, they feel pretty comfortable on my feet. They seem to be a little bit wider compared to some other European sneakers. My toes are comfortable and have rooms to move. I don't think I need to break it in with this pair of leather sneakers. I love that they added some padding around the heel cuff. It's comfortable and my heel don't slip out when I walk around. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this pair of sneakers.
Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing for this Portland Leather Goods new Patina shoes, low top sneakers. and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.